Hello everyone, this is Hamish the Coo, here to introduce Miss Nikki, who today will be reading Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Art by James Dean and story by Eric Litwin. Okay, we'll jump right in. See you soon. Hello everyone, let's jump right on in. Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Here's Pete. Shoes are all wet. There he's on the sidewalk. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. There's Pete. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color did it turn his shoes, my friends? I think it turned them red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything's cool, man, is what Pete said. I love my red shoes. 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 And he's catching a ride with an automatic car. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? I think it turned them blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept on singing his song. Awesome, man, Pete said. I love my blue shoes. 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 It's raining too. Oh dear. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? What color did it turn his shoes, my friend? Maybe he shouldn't have been walking in a farm. Let's see. Brown. But did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy, man. I always wanted brown shoes. I love my 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 brown shoes with a nice cup of hot coffee. Delicious. Oh no, Pete stepped into a bucket of water and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? What color were his shoes? They were white, but now they were all wet. Yuck. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll, dude, said Pete. I love my wet shoes. 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 Squeak, squeak, squeak. That's what happens when you have wet shoes, man. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Look, and now he has white shoes, blue shoes, brown shoes, and red shoes. Because it's all good, man. The end. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye, Pete. Goodbye, shoes. Goodbye, book. We'll see you a different day. Back to Hamish now. Hello, everyone. I hope you liked and enjoyed. And if you liked, please give it a subscribe. There'll be more content. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Have an amazing day.